In New Delhi, young scientists from IIT Madras displayed the prototype of a hyperloop that they have been working on. The project is being funded by the Indian Railways. DD India's Dibyendu Mondal spoke to Harry, a young scientist working on this project. Let's watch it.
At the India International Science Festival in Faridabad, I'm joined by a young student, Harry, who has developed a prototype of, you must have heard about Elon Musk's Hyperloop. So we are hoping to get something like this in India's own indigenously built Hyperloop. Harry, can you explain us about what this is and for the benefit of our viewers, what this is and at what stage of development this is?
So this is we are a company called Tutor Hyperloop. So we are incubated out of IIT Madras incubation cell, and this is a still model of a Hyperloop pod prototype. So this you can see is a vacuum tube. So what happens is, like, we will have vehicles which runs inside vacuum tube with magnetic levitation. So there won't be any opposing force that is created for the vehicle. So what happens is it will propel like a bullet. So once you propel it, it will go on forever. So since there is no force that is opposing it, it can go to speeds up to 700-800 km per hour. As of now, we are building a 400-meter long test facility at IIT Madras and also a subscale vehicle for testing in it, which we are expecting to complete around April this year.
Well, of course, I'm also being told that this project is being funded by the Indian Railways, that is also helping you guys to develop such prototypes. And can you give us more insight as to, where, at what stage of, or perhaps by when can we see a full-scale model being presented at the IIT Madras?
Yes, so as of now, the Indian Railways has given us some grant to build a 400-meter long tube. So we have almost built 200 meter out of it. So still 200 meter is left, so we are expecting to complete by next month. So, and we will do testing we are also building a pod which is around 1 ton weight, so we will test it in the tube for some time. And for a full scale operation, initially we are thinking to go into cargo, so then we will go into passengers, as there are safety concerns and everything has to be proven for this new, as it's a new technology. So you can expect some cargo, maybe from a port to some kind of terminal. So we can expect around 2028 to 2030.
That's a wonderful thing, Harry. And as you can see, this is also being known as the fifth mode of transport in the world, and this could perhaps be a game changer if this becomes a reality. And Hyperloop is something that the world is looking at. With camera person Vinay, this is Dibyendu Mondal from Faridabad for DD India.